Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed guys, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and guys, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. Guys, I repeat, follow the Telegram channel. Click on the bell notification. Click on the subscribe button, then click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's see what we will be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY for the week. So let's start with our higher time frame. We will do this analysis from our weekly time frame down to our 4-hour time frame, so we would understand our full bigger picture of what Swiss franc JPY is doing. So before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend on that trade. Before you take any trade, you would want to know the trend for that trade. And we can clearly see that on our Swiss franc JPY, our trend is clearly in an uptrend move. So this is a very clear movement to the upside. So we add this to be the high, and here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Here is our higher high, and here comes the higher low. This pushed up to give us higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets give us another higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market has now given us another higher high. So you know that after that, this our higher high, the next thing that will be happening on Swiss franc JPY would be an higher low, right? So an higher low is coming. But for this week that we are predicting for, will an higher low actually start playing out for this week? I do not think so. I believe that we will still expect another bullish move for the week. Why we are going to be expecting another bullish move for this week is that when you go to your daily time frame, daily time frame is still very much strong to the upside. It's still very much buying to the upside. Remember that market was broke trend range within this level. So have it in mind if you have to zoom it in, especially on your 4-hour time frame. Go to your 4-hour time frame. You will see that market ranged within this level. It was this top was serve as the resistance and this bottom was serves as the support. Then when market pushed up to break above it, break above the resistance, guess what market did? Market gave a pullback to come and retest it. So we all know that break and retest. So once market broke out of this resistance, market came back to retest it. And guess what? Once market retested it, it pushed up again to give a new high. So as a day trader, we are now expecting an higher low should be playing out. So this currently we are trading at a level of 198. So be expecting a pullback to a level of 196. So this week first, we expect Swiss franc JPY to come back to a level of 196. Once it comes back to a level of 196, then we will now start looking for a buy setup that will push up to form a new higher high. Now for the buy setup that we play out is you will actually get the update of when the buy setup start playing out. So in order for you not to miss out on that update when the buy setup will start playing out, all you just have to do is very simple. Click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and also make your comments so you will not miss out on the next update. So guys, first we are expecting a pullback on our Swiss franc JPY. So expect your pullback on your Swiss franc JPY. Then we can now start looking for a buy setup that will push up to form a new higher high. So above all, this week we are going bullish on Swiss franc JPY. Now let's look at it on the forward time frame. Lastly, if you take a look at this here, this was a bull, which is the first high. Here is the higher low. Take a look at this here. This is an higher high, massive higher high. So you will be very, very long to if you take your buy here. The movements have already been made. Do not take your buy on your Swiss franc JPY yet. If you are in on the buy, the best thing you can do now is start taking your profit. Wait for your pullback to come, play out to a level of 196. That is what we should be expecting. We are expecting Swiss franc JPY to pull back to a level of 196. Then we can now start looking for our buy setup. Once the buy setup start playing out, I'll make sure I let you guys know. And that buy setup should push up till it form a new high. So this week we are going bullish on Swiss franc JPY. Subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.